Welcome to today's tech tip. On today's video, we're going to take you through the cleaning of your Harrier rifle. To do this, you're going to need a couple of items. You're going to need your cleaning rod, a bore brush, some patches, and your preferred solvent or oil. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to run a solvent patch through the bore, starting at the upper and working your way to the muzzle. What we're doing with this is just removing any major fouling that might be in the bore. Next, once you feel that is sufficiently clean, we're going to switch to the bore brush, and that will loosen up any hard fouling that might be in the lands and the grooves. Again, starting at the upper receiver, install the brush starting in the chamber and press that all the way through. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bore brush, and again, with your preferred solvent, you're just going to wet the bore brush and run that through the bore a few times and allow that chemical process to break down any sort of fouling that's in there. You may need to repeat any of these steps a few times, depending on the amount of fouling that's in your firearm. We're then going to take another patch and we're going to run that through the bore just to make sure that everything is clean and that everything feels smooth. This will also wipe out any of the fouling that you may have loosened up during the cleaning process. That looks fairly clean at this point. Finally, with one last patch with a light oil on it, to prevent any sort of corrosion or anything, you're just going to run that patch through. This will apply a small amount of corrosion resistance in the bore, and it'll also help fight away any moisture. Perfect. Looks great. Moving on to the bolt, we're going to take the opportunity to clean the face of the bolt, make sure that your extractor is working, your ejector is working, and it's free of any debris. We're also going to check to make sure that the gas rings aren't broken and that everything is properly aligned. So using a small brush, you can clean under the extractor, you can clean around the ejector. You're also going to want to clean behind the locking lugs and the body of the bolt, just to make sure that there's no fouling or anything built up in there. So this is a good opportunity to inspect the function of your ejector and extractor. You could press on the face of the ejector to make sure that moves, and you can also feel for good movement in your extractor. You're also going to want to check to make sure that your gas rings are intact, that there isn't excessive fouling on them, and that the gap in your gas rings are not aligned. You want to make sure that you have a gap in one ring on one side, a gap in the other ring on the other side, and if they are aligned, it'll allow the passage of gas through the rifle and could impede the function. So these look good, they're not fouled, they're not cracked, and the gaps are in the proper location. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean and inspect your bolt carrier. Now, most importantly, you're going to want to make sure that your gas key screws haven't loosened up, which these are not. They should be staked to keep them from backing out. For this, you're just going to want to use an oiled rag and wipe down the exterior of the bolt carrier and make sure that there's a thin film of lubricant across the body. After that, you're going to take this opportunity to inspect your firing pin, and you're going to make sure that the firing pin tip is not cracked or deformed in any way, and you can clean the body of this. This firing pin is very clean, so there's no need for any further addressing of it, but again, making sure that your firing pin tip is in proper form. With that all complete, that's really all you're going to need to do to clean your Harrier rifle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and for more information on the Harrier or other tech tips, please visit us at Ruger.com.